Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? It's me again. Hey, I've got a special surprise. We've got a special guest coming today. You're never gonna guess who it is. Buffy Smears. You guys are in for a real treat. We'll talk soon.
Hello.
Hey guys, hope you didn't puke from that. Special thanks to Britney Spears for the inspiration. I would have never thought of that on my own. But let's give it up for Buffy Smears. I don't know what to think. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. We'll talk soon. Oh, now remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button.